How to pick the right window style for your house for best curb appeal. Let's talk about that. So I see homes every single day. I'm going to different customers' houses and they all have a different style of house, different shade. They always ask, well, what do you think would look best on the house? And that's a great question, but it's also subjective because my style versus your style, two different things. I may like grids, you don't like grids. I like a black window, you don't like a black window. Maybe it wouldn't look good on the house. And it's a loaded question. But here's the simplicity of it. When you're shopping for windows, now is your opportunity to change things up a little bit. If you have sliding windows, they're horizontal sliders, so it's wider than it is tall, maybe you're like, you know what? I don't want to do a slider anymore. I'd like to do something kind of cool. Maybe you want a couple of casements that open out because of that nice width and you want to get as much airflow as you possibly can. That's a great option. It will cost you slightly more than going with another sliding window system, but you want what you want. Maybe inside that glass, you want some grids, a Colonial style or a Victorian grid or whatever the case is. Queen Anne, there's lots of options. Maybe you want a V-groove, which is an etching inside the actual glass itself. So it's very transparent, but it's something different. So it's your opportunity to ask questions, do some homework, find out, well, what kind of windows can they make? What colors can they make? Don't get a tan window if you're planning on painting the house a different color and then maybe doing like a grayish roof. That'll argue with each other. It'll look crazy, so you don't want to do that. Maybe you don't want to do retro. You don't want that flange around the window. You want to go new construction. You want the smallest frame available. Okay, you can do that, but you're gonna pay more because we're having to pull off stucco or siding and redo it. So these are things to consider before you start going out and spending money, big money, on a window replacement. So look guys, I can go on and on about this. You know, this is one of those questions that's like, it could take a while, but I'm not in front of your house to discuss options or what we could possibly do to make it look really cool. So just make sure that you're doing the homework, and then when you have people coming out, ask them. So they're gonna have some kind of idea or take on it, and then make a great decision based on those. All right guys, I hope this helps. Make it a great day. Before you click off this video, if you live in the Ventura, LA, or Dallas-Fort Worth area and you are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to the website, click on the request. The link is down below in the descriptions. I will reach out to you. Thank you guys so much.